The internet, a marvel of human ingenuity, has become an indispensable part of our lives. We rely on it for communication, commerce, entertainment, and more. However, this reliance comes at a price. Our increasing dependence on digital technologies has made us vulnerable to a wide array of network attacks, posing significant threats to individuals, businesses, and governments alike. These attacks, often orchestrated by malicious actors, can disrupt critical infrastructure, compromise sensitive data, and erode trust in our digital ecosystems. Network attacks are no longer the exclusive domain of tech-savvy individuals or shadowy organizations. They have become increasingly sophisticated and accessible, with tools and techniques readily available on the dark web. This democratization of cybercrime has led to a surge in attacks, targeting entities of all sizes and across all sectors. From small businesses to multinational corporations, from healthcare providers to government agencies, no one is immune to the threat. The consequences of successful network attacks can be devastating. Network attacks are not created equal. They vary widely in their complexity, their targets, and their intended impact. Understanding the different types of attacks is crucial for developing effective defense mechanisms. One common type is credential harvesting, where attackers employ various techniques, such as phishing emails and fake websites, to trick users into revealing their usernames and passwords. Denial of service, DOS, attacks aim to overwhelm a target system or network with traffic, rendering it unavailable to legitimate users. Distributed denial of service, DDoS attacks, leverage a network of compromised devices, known as a botnet, to amplify the volume of traffic directed at the victim. DNS attacks, targeting the domain name system, DNS, aim to disrupt the translation of domain names into IP addresses, essentially preventing users from accessing websites and online services. DNS spoofing involves redirecting users to malicious websites disguised as legitimate ones, facilitating phishing attacks and malware distribution. Understanding the nuances of each attack type is the first step towards building a robust cybersecurity posture. Cyber attacks, regardless of their complexity, often follow a structured approach, much like a well-rehearsed play. This structured approach, often referred to as the cyber kill chain, outlines the different stages an attacker progresses through, from the initial reconnaissance to the final objective, typically data exfiltration or system disruption. Understanding each stage of this chain is crucial for implementing effective security controls and disrupting the attack cycle. The first stage, reconnaissance, involves gathering information about the target. Attackers may use publicly available information, such as social media profiles and company websites, or employ more sophisticated techniques like scanning networks for vulnerabilities. The next stage, weaponization, involves selecting and configuring the tools and techniques to exploit the identified vulnerabilities. Delivery is the stage where the attack is launched. Once the attack is delivered, the exploitation stage commences, where the malicious code is executed, exploiting the identified vulnerabilities to gain a foothold within the target system or network. Installation, the next stage, involves establishing persistence within the compromised environment. Command and control follows, where the attacker establishes a communication channel with the compromised system, allowing them to remotely control the infected device and issue commands. Understanding each stage of this kill chain allows organizations to implement layered security controls, making it significantly more difficult for attackers to succeed. The consequences of successful network attacks can be far-reaching and devastating, impacting individuals, businesses, and governments on multiple levels. For individuals, data breaches can lead to identity theft, financial loss, and reputational damage. Imagine the distress of having your personal information, from credit card details to social security numbers, compromised and exploited by malicious actors. The financial and emotional toll of such an event can be significant and long-lasting. Businesses, regardless of size or industry, are equally vulnerable to the fallout of network attacks. data breaches can result in the loss of sensitive customer information, leading to legal repercussions, reputational damage, and erosion of customer trust. Government agencies entrusted with safeguarding national security and sensitive citizen data are also prime targets for cyber attacks. Successful breaches can disrupt critical infrastructure, compromise national security secrets, and erode public trust in government institutions. Imagine the chaos and disruption if a cyber attack crippled a country's power grid, banking system, or emergency services. The stakes are high in the digital age, and the cost of inaction can be immense. Section 5. Case Study: When Digital Ramparts Crumble. The 2017 NotPetya attack, a global ransomware outbreak, serves as a stark reminder of the devastating impact network attacks can have on businesses and critical infrastructure. This attack, attributed to Russian military intelligence, spread rapidly across the globe, crippling businesses, disrupting operations, and causing billions of dollars in damages. NotPetya, disguised as ransomware, was in reality a destructive wiper malware designed to cause maximum damage and disruption. It exploited vulnerabilities in a widely used Ukrainian accounting software, spreading rapidly through networks that shared infected systems. Once it infiltrated a network, NotPetya encrypted critical files, rendering systems inoperable and demanding a ransom for decryption. However, unlike typical ransomware, NotPetya's encryption process was designed to be irreversible, making data recovery impossible even if the ransom was paid. Major multinational companies, including shipping giant Maersk, pharmaceutical company Merck, and advertising conglomerate WPP, suffered significant disruptions to their operations, resulting in billions of dollars in losses. The attack highlighted the vulnerability of global supply chains and the interconnectedness of our digital world. Section 6. Countering the Threat: A Multifaceted Approach. In the face of evolving cyber threats, a multifaceted approach to cybersecurity is paramount. This involves implementing a combination of technical safeguards, robust security policies, and a culture of security awareness. Technical safeguards form the foundation of any robust cybersecurity strategy. This includes implementing firewalls to control network traffic, intrusion detection and prevention systems to identify and block malicious activity, and antivirus software to detect and remove malware. Regularly updating software and operating systems is crucial to patch vulnerabilities that attackers could exploit. Security policies, outlining acceptable use of technology resources and security best practices, are essential for establishing a security-conscious culture within an organization. Regular security audits and penetration testing can help identify and address vulnerabilities before attackers can exploit them. Fostering a culture of security awareness among employees is crucial. Early detection of network attacks is crucial for minimizing potential damage and implementing timely remediation measures. Intrusion detection systems, or IDS, and intrusion prevention systems, known as IPS, serve as vigilant sentinels, monitoring network traffic for suspicious activity and alerting security teams to potential threats. These systems act as early warning systems, providing valuable time for incident response teams to react and mitigate the impact of an attack. IDS, typically passive monitoring tools, analyze network traffic for patterns matching known attack signatures or anomalies deviating from normal behavior. Upon detecting suspicious activity, IDS issue alerts, notifying security personnel of potential threats. IPS, on the other hand, take a more proactive approach, actively blocking or dropping malicious traffic based on predefined rules and signatures. Attackers constantly evolve their tactics, developing new methods to evade detection and bypass security measures. Therefore, it's crucial to employ a combination of signature-based detection, which relies on known attack patterns, and anomaly-based detection, which identifies deviations from normal network behavior. This multi-layered approach enhances the chances of detecting both known and unknown threats. Mitigating the impact of network attacks requires a multi-layered approach combining robust technical controls with well-defined incident response plans and continuous security awareness training. This approach aims to minimize the attack surface, making it difficult for attackers to penetrate defenses and to contain the damage in case of a successful breach. Network segmentation, a fundamental security principle, involves dividing a network into smaller, isolated segments, limiting the lateral movement of attackers in case of a breach. By isolating sensitive data and critical systems from the rest of the network, organizations can contain the damage and prevent attackers from gaining access to their most valuable assets. Data encryption, both in transit and at rest, is crucial for protecting sensitive information from unauthorized access. Encryption transforms data into an unreadable format, rendering it useless to attackers even if they manage to gain access. Implementing strong encryption protocols for data transmission and storage adds an extra layer of security, ensuring that sensitive information remains confidential even in the event of a breach. Regular software updates and patching are essential for addressing known vulnerabilities that attackers could exploit. While technological safeguards are paramount in the fight against network attacks, the human element remains the most critical and often the weakest link in the cybersecurity chain. Educating and empowering users to identify and respond to potential threats is crucial for building a robust security posture. Cybersecurity awareness training, therefore, should be an integral part of every organization's security strategy. Phishing attacks, a common tactic employed by attackers, often rely on social engineering techniques to trick users into revealing sensitive information or clicking on malicious links. Training employees to identify phishing emails, to be wary of suspicious links, and to verify requests for sensitive information can significantly reduce the success rate of such attacks. Social engineering, another tactic employed by attackers, involves manipulating individuals into performing actions or divulging confidential information. Training employees to be cautious of unsolicited requests for sensitive information, to verify the identity of individuals requesting such information, and to report suspicious activity can help mitigate the risk of social engineering attacks. Cybersecurity awareness is not a one-time event, but an ongoing process. Regular training sessions, simulated phishing campaigns, and internal communication channels dedicated to cybersecurity news and best practices can help keep security top of mind for employees. As our reliance on digital technologies continues to grow, so too do the challenges of securing our interconnected world. Network attacks are becoming increasingly sophisticated, targeting individuals, businesses, and governments alike. The consequences of successful attacks can be devastating, resulting in financial losses, reputational damage, and disruptions to critical infrastructure. Navigating the future of network security requires a proactive and adaptive approach. Implementing robust technical safeguards, fostering a culture of security awareness, and staying informed about emerging threats are crucial for mitigating risks and building resilient digital ecosystems. The human element remains the most critical and often the most vulnerable aspect of cybersecurity. By embracing a comprehensive approach that combines technology, policy, and awareness, we can navigate the challenges of the digital age and build a safer and more secure online world.